Hi, I'm Steve Zimmerman, Senior Specialist with the Process Equipment Group of R.E. Mason and Associates. Today's topic are baffles. Baffles are internals to agitated vessels meant to optimize and stabilize the mixing flow pattern and minimize variations in the agitator power draw. Proper baffle implementation impacts tremendously the process results that you are attempting to achieve. Low viscosity fluids in agitated vessels always require baffles. Typically, the agitator vendor will specify the baffles for you, but they are built either by the tank vendor, built and installed, or by others. These baffles are typically flat plates, 1/12 the diameter of the tank, and historically been done equally spaced in a quantity of 4. In other words, at 0, 90, 180, 270 degrees. With the advent of the high efficiency impeller, many folks have reduced the number of baffles to 3, again, equally spaced. A quick caveat here is that while equally spaced is not always pragmatic, it's okay, use the phrase, come as close as possible. If you just can't use all of them, you need to readjust all of your thinking. It's most important to keep them equidistant in the overall. So what happens when you don't use baffles? A lot of people think that if you look in the top of a stainless vessel that's agitating without baffles, you see a tremendous swirl, even to the point of a vortex all the way down to the impeller. This looks like great energy being used, but the truth of the matter is, it is very poor circulation of the fluids, and you get very extended blend time, and you do not necessarily get good velocity vectors inside of your agitated vessel. So while it looks great from the top, what's actually going on underneath the surface is not necessarily so good. Baffles give you that good top to bottom motion and good velocity profile inside your agitated vessel in order to drastically decrease the blend time or process results that you're trying to achieve. One unique caveat that I get asked about frequently is, what do you do with solids that want to sit on the top? There is a little trick we use to cut the baffles off at a certain distance from the top underneath the liquid level that cause a little bit of a swirling motion at the top of the batch that allows the solids to be pulled in, yet still circulates top to bottom within the main portion of the vessel. This solves that issue. A second topic is proper cleaning of the baffles. Now this is a whole nother conversation, but for the purpose of today, the baffles do not have to be a flat plate. If for a variety of reasons you want to use triangular baffles, that is accepted in some applications, as are canted baffles. This changes some aspects, especially with solids involved, and where the velocity profiles are. This should be discussed in the development upfront of your process parameters so that you get the desired process results. Thank you. For more information or a white paper on this topic, please visit our R.E. Mason website and look for the Process Equipment Group location.